Welcome to 3707 East Livingston Drive, Long Beach, California 90803. This is a listing for an ocean view 2-bed, 2-bath condo. Taking a look around the building and the neighborhood itself. Same as you would if you came by to take a look. This is at the cross street of Livingston and 38th Place. Looking at the building. Renovated lobby area. Looking at your mailboxes in your lobby area. Walking into the garage with bike storage. Garage is gated with a remote. Unit comes with 2 parking spaces with storage. Unit is only one of 3 units in the building that comes with 2 parking spaces. Looking at your storage for one of your parking spaces. And looking at your other parking spaces with storage. Building has an on-site laundry, 2 washers and 2 dryers. It is coin operated. Walking into the unit, it's a 3rd floor ocean view 2-bed, 2-bath condo, approximately 1046 square feet. Looking at your guest closet at the entrance. Additional storage space with your water heater. Your water heater can be removed to make room for a tankless heater and to install a washer and dryer. You can install a washer and dryer in the unit. Walking into your living room. Your living room is approximately 18 by 14. Wood flooring in your living room and your hallways. Carpet in your bedrooms. Walking onto your balcony. Your view from the balcony. Seating on your balcony area. Walking back into the unit, into the living room. Your dining area is approximately 9 by 8. Your view from your dining area. Looking into your kitchen, nearly renovated. double sink with garbage disposal, dishwasher, granite countertops. Closer look at your dishwasher. Lots of storage in your kitchen. Full-size refrigerator, microwave, and an electric cooker. Walking towards your bedrooms. Bathroom number 1 is in between the bedrooms, giving you some buffering privacy between the bedrooms. Walking into bedroom number 1, which is approximately 14 by 11, has carpet flooring. Lots of closet space. Walking into bathroom number 1, which comes with a full-size tub. Back into your hallway. Walking into bedroom number 2, which is approximately 14 by 12. Also has carpet flooring. And a full wall of closet space. Walking into bathroom number 2. Which has a shower. Please note, the video is just a visual aid. It is not part of the MLS listing. Buyer to verify all information and all measurements.